Guys, Richard here. Gonna go out for a little bit of a ride. I decided I'm gonna take the Mooncool TK1 out for a little bit of a ride today. Made a couple other videos and decided, hey, now's the chance to get out, because you know what? I haven't been out in about a week. I mean, really the only time I was out was recently when I went down to pick up the U-Haul truck so we could start the garage renovation there. So I haven't really had a chance to get out much, you know, just busy with that and the holidays and other things. And so, yeah, let's see if we can get this adjusted here. So this morning I was out here, this way. This morning I was out here and I made the video about the electric XP trike and the the Mooncool TK1. And got that video knocked out, so I'm going to try to get that edited tonight and hopefully release that tomorrow. So by the time you see this video, it should already be out. So that's on the horizon. But yeah, let's see. Since the U-Haul video, this is my first chance to get out. So let's just cruise here for a little bit. Yeah, so I want to talk about trikes, okay? Occasionally, you know, I hear these comments from folks talking about, you know, trikes being for seniors only. And I wanted to address that subject because, you know, I don't think that's true at all. And I kind of want your feedback on it. Before we get too far into this video, why don't you tell me right now your initial thoughts, you know? Are trikes only for seniors? And then by the time we get done with this discussion, then maybe tell me if you changed your opinion at all. Hanging Christmas lights. All right, so anyway, here we go. Where do I start? So I've got a buddy that I ride with a lot, and he commented recently jokingly and said, yeah, you know, trikes are for seniors. And then there's another YouTuber I had been communicating with recently, and I'm not going to call him out, but he made a comment that, well, I'm not ready for a trike yet because, you know, he's still able to get out quite well, and he enjoys his e-bikes. So, yep, understand that, respect that. But then there's been other conversations I had where similar comments were made, you know? And here's my thought. So, let me back up before I share with you my opinions and thoughts. Even when you look at some of the e-bike or the eTrike manufacturers, when they market the trikes, a lot of times their marketing is about geared towards seniors. And they'll say something about the trike being safe for seniors, or it's a great way to have mobility and get out and that kind of thing too. So just want to put that out there too, that even the manufacturers are in on this. So here's my thoughts. That's all completely wrong and false. Yeah, you heard it here. Completely wrong, completely false. Because a trike, just like an e-bike, can be for anyone. If you are completely healthy, completely fit, you might ride a regular road bike, non-powered, right? And the mentality might be that, oh, I don't need an e-bike because I'm healthy and I can get out and pedal my way. And that's where you start having these conversations where these people get snarky and tell you you're cheating because you're riding an e-bike and yada yada yada. And we're all pretty good at defending that kind of mentality. It's not about my abilities or my capabilities. I'm riding an e-bike because I enjoy riding an e-bike. I can go further, I can go a little faster, and it's just more enjoyable. Okay, you don't always ride an e-bike for exercise. You can, but that's not its sole purpose. Its sole purpose is a mode of transportation. And you know, I don't jump in the car and go to the grocery store and think, oh, I'm cheating because I'm not riding my bike. You know, you go to the car in your grocery store and you run other errands, And you're not cheating on anything. That's just what you do. Well, same thing for an e-bike. You ride your e-bike. You can use it to go to the grocery store. You can use it to run errands if you so choose. But you can also use it just for pleasure and getting out and enjoying it. So when it relates to e-trikes, I feel the exact same way. It's not that I have to ride an e-trike because of age or ability or stability. You can ride an e-trike just for the sake of riding an e-trike. You can get out and enjoy it. And here's what I'd like to say about that. Riding an e-trike is a completely different riding experience. Yeah, sure it is, because you're on 3 wheels instead of 2. So it just feels different. And the bike responds differently. And it's still a lot of fun, and you can still enjoy it. So don't think for a second that your age or your physical ability has anything to do with being able to ride a trike. And who cares what other people think? So what? If you find that if you do ride one, try one out, you might find that you really like it. And if so, you don't worry about and care what other people think or what other people say. Okay? It just doesn't matter. Do what you want to do. Do what's fun. Do what you enjoy. I sometimes enjoy, just like right now, getting out and riding this trike. I do. I don't have to worry about my balance. I don't have to worry about putting my feet down when I stop. I can just stop if I want to. But it's more fun in some instances to just cruise around on a trike. Because it feels different. And gosh, I have so much fun with it. And you know what? I didn't realize I was going to have so much fun riding the trike until we got the first one for Mrs. Adventure. And I tried it, and I was like, wow, this is kind of cool. And I've let a couple other people, test ride it, and they all said the same thing. Wow, this is really cool. It's just different, and enjoyable. So no, not just for seniors. A useful tool for sure for those who are, getting up there in age, that have some stability issues or have some disabilities or limitations of some way. Then certainly a good idea. Hey, how's it going? Good. How about you?
Good.
Outstanding. So yeah, very, very useful tool, but you don't have to look at it as a tool. Some people look at it strictly as a mobility device, as kind of necessary because it allows you to get out. And if you're a senior, yes, absolutely, I would agree with you. It allows you to get out and do things that you may otherwise not be able to do. So I think e-trikes play a very important part of the outdoor community. And my wife is exactly in that position. A trike has allowed her to get out where she otherwise wouldn't be able to on a regular bike or to go for a walk. So very useful for that. But oh my goodness, that's not its only sole and one purpose. An e-trike has many useful. Or I should say it's very useful for many people. Yeah, let's see here. I'm just going to cut across the grass here because we can. A little bumpy, but one of the things I like about this Moon Cool is, it's pretty stable. I am bouncing all over on this seat right here. We cut across through here, and I guess I should hold on to the steering wheel a little tighter instead of just relaxing there. There we go. Yeah. A lot of fun. That was a root. I did come off the seat a little bit there. And my seat is loose a little bit. We're going to have to stop and fix that. Here we go. We're going to stop. Let's stop and fix that seat. Yeah, because I didn't have it tightened down. See there? And it dropped with me. So let's tighten that up a little bit. Maybe something like that. All right, let's continue our adventure here across the rough terrain. Yeah, there we go. Completely different than riding an e-bike through there. Yeah, for sure. Hey, look here. Let's just zip around right here. Let's get the alligators out today. I'm not seeing them. Yesterday or the day before, I was in my truck. I had some errands to run further away, and I was out in my truck, and I passed several retention ponds like this, and I saw quite a few alligators out yesterday, and yesterday was a cool day. Ooh. What is that? I think it's just a piece of trash in the lake. Oh no. Trash in the lake. Ugh. Piece of plastic or something? That's too bad. Yeah. Boy, this water has gotten down a lot. Sure has. Alright, let's continue. Yeah. There's just so much to like about a trike. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. And so many people are missing out on the opportunity just because of that stigma of, oh, it's not for healthy people or not for young people. I did have a viewer comment on one of my videos here some time ago. It's been a while now. That her son loves riding the trike.
Is that the newest one?
Yeah, I've had it for a couple of weeks now.
Yeah?
Yeah. Ooh.
He's got now?
What's that?
How many does he have?
Of trikes? I have 3.
No, bikes. Bikes.
I've got, what do I have done? 10, 11, something like that right now. 3 of them are trikes.
I got all my lights up and then I grinched one string.
Oh no, don't you hate that?
He's like, you didn't check them. I'm like, I checked them. You didn't check. I checked them. I'm not going to be that person again this year.
Listen to you.
Yeah.
Tom, does that hurt your feet up there barefoot? Oh my goodness. I can't stand on a ladder barefoot.
No?
Oh no, man, that tears me up.
Is there a lot in there?
Okay. Got to go.
There you go.
Yep, making a video. Making a video saying that trikes are not just for seniors or people with disabilities, it's for everyone. That's what this video is about. Because a lot of people think that, oh, a trike is for an older person, right? Heck no, it's just fun to ride. So.
I know, I'm kind of thinking.
You should come down and ride a couple. Hey, next time his garage is open, go over there and grab that one that's in there. He's got one right now of mine.
Does he?
Yeah, he's got 3 right now that's parked over there because I was low on space. And one of them is a trike, so you can grab that one anytime you want.
Not going up and down easy.
All right, later.
See you later.
Hanging Christmas lights. All right. Yeah. So anyway, trikes are for anyone. And if anyone says anything different, just don't listen to them. That's what I think. That's what I think. Of course, everyone's got opinions, right? We know how the saying goes. Opinions are like other things. Everybody's got one. Yeah. Hey, so I've got a video coming up. It's going to be a few weeks. I mean, it's going to be probably a month. Probably be closer to the end of January or something. I'm going to plan this video out, but I'm going to do a video just a trike video. And I'm going to get a couple of friends together. We're going to go and ride some trikes and have some fun with that. I've got one more trike coming in, and possibly a second one that I'm going to inherit. And so that'll give us 5. And I've actually reached out to a couple other companies that have trikes just to say, hey, maybe you want to participate in this video I've got that I'm going to do. Because I'm sure it wouldn't be so much fun. Oh, it'd be a blast. If we actually had like 7 or 8 or 10 trikes or something. Even if there's other people in the community. Hey, if you're in the area, okay, you know where I'm at here in Florida, most of you do, Manatee County. If you're in the area and you own a trike, reach out to me. And you can join us on this trike video that we're going to do. It's just going to be a group ride. And we're going to go like downtown area and do some just riding around and enjoy ourselves. Big old group of people on trikes. So anyway, that'll be coming up. Like I said, probably like the end of January or something. That's what I'm thinking. But yeah, and we'll kind of prove to people that it's not just for seniors. Of course, we'll have seniors and maybe people with some limitations join us on the ride. But hopefully, have some younger people out there too. Maybe I can get Amanda or Emma or Devin involved in that video if it works out. That would be a lot of fun. I'm going to turn around right here. So I think we're going to wrap this video up because it's time to go start another one. Amanda's visiting. I don't know if you noticed, that was her car sitting out front. She's in the house wrapping Christmas presents. But when she gets done with that, her and I are going to go for a ride. So maybe I'll record that and see what kind of mayhem and trouble that her and I can get into. And if we're successful, I will be sure to post that video so you guys can enjoy that one too. Hey, that's going to be it. So be looking for that next video, whatever it might be. And as always, give me a thumbs up if you enjoy this video because it's appreciated. And I will see you guys again real soon.